Welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Gmail or Google account in just 2 minutes. If you have an old Gmail account that you no longer use, or you want to delete it for security reasons, then this video is for you. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser and open the Gmail app on your computer. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, click Manage your Google account. This will open your Google account settings page. From the menu on the left, click Data and Privacy. If you don't see it immediately, simply scroll down until you find it. Now scroll down to the More Options section. Here you'll find two important options: download your data, delete your Google account. Be careful not to click Delete a Google service, because that only removes individual Google services, not your entire account. Before deleting your account, I highly recommend downloading your important data. Just click Download your data, and Google will let you download your photos, Drive files, contacts, YouTube data, and more. If you don't need any of this information, you can skip this step. Now click Delete your Google account. If Google asks you to verify your identity, enter your password and continue. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Check both confirmation boxes. Finally, click the Delete Account button. That's it. Your Google account has now been permanently deleted. If you accidentally delete your account, Google usually allows you to recover it for a limited time by selecting Recover your account and following the instructions. Your Gmail account has now been permanently deleted. Just remember, before deleting any Google account, always make sure you've backed up anything important. And that's how you can permanently delete your Gmail account in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you enjoy technology tips and AI tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.